In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Battle.net or Blizzard games to another drive. If you're running out of space on your current drive or simply want to organize your games better, knowing how to do this effectively is key. Let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring you have all the details you need to make this transition as smooth as possible. First things first, make sure you have the Battle.net desktop app installed on your system. This application is essential as it manages all your games and handles updates. Once you're ready, open your Battle.net app and click on the Blizzard logo at the top left of the screen. Selecting this will open a drop-down menu. From there, you need to navigate to the Settings option. This is your control center for customizing how your app and games behave. Now, within the Settings menu, find and click on the Game Install Update option on the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a section called Folder Used for Gameplay. This is where you will choose the new location for your games. It's important to choose a destination with enough space. Whether it's an SSD for faster load times or another HDD, it's entirely your choice, but keep your storage needs in mind. Before moving your games, consider that each game will require a separate process. To change the location for each game, go back to your library from the Battle.net app. Select the game you want to move, but do not launch it. Instead, click on the game settings, usually represented by a gear icon next to the play button. Here, select Show in Explorer. This is a handy trick, as it opens up the folder where your game is currently stored. Once you're in the File Explorer, close the Battle.net client. This ensures files aren't currently in use, which could interfere with the transfer process. Now, copy the game folder to the new drive location you previously set. The copying process might take some time depending on the size of the game, so patience is key here. With the files copied over, reopen the Battle.net app. Click on the same gear icon you used to find the Show in Explorer option earlier. This time, you'll be selecting Locate the Game. Navigate to the new folder location on your drive and confirm your selection. This step ensures Battle.net knows where to find the moved game files, thus avoiding re-downloading them. After relocating the folder, launch the game to verify everything is in order. The game should start without any issues, and if it does, congratulations, you've successfully moved your game. Repeat these steps for any additional games you want to transfer to the new drive. Now, with your games on the new drive, you can enjoy better storage management without giving up any precious files. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!